Is Olympus London the stylish fashion haven it appears to be, or just another questionable store hiding behind pretty pictures and polished marketing? OlympusLondon.com presents itself as a trendy women's fashion brand, showcasing everything from suits and dresses to zip-accented outfits that seem made for Instagram. But once you dig deeper, serious concerns begin to surface. For starters, the website's domain is relatively new, which is often a red flag when it comes to online shopping. Legitimate stores usually have an established digital presence, while newer domains are commonly used by fly-by-night operations. Their customer support is another weak spot. Responses are slow, and in many cases, buyers say they never hear back at all. The product images are slick and professional, but there's no way to verify whether they reflect the actual items being shipped, and a few online reviews suggest that real products fall short in both quality and appearance. Shipping delays, inconsistent sizing, and an unclear return policy only add to the uncertainty. Trustpilot reviews are mixed. While some users claim to have received their orders, many report frustrating experiences with long wait times and disappointing products. It's not fair to label Olympus London as an outright scam, but it's also hard to recommend it as a safe and trustworthy store. At best, it's a gamble, and at worst, it's a shopping headache waiting to happen. If you're considering making a purchase, proceed with caution, double-check reviews, and remember that great style isn't worth the risk if the service behind it can't deliver.